If you are interested in a small manufacturing business, so this episode is very important for you because today I'm speaking about a very profitable idea, which is pasta making process. Today I will teach you how to make money from pasta even if you don't have enough budget. This is my mission today. I will explain to you the process from A to Z in detail, okay? And I will give you a full feasibility study for this one. Are you ready? Go prepare your coffee and come to me back because I will explain to you how to make money from pasta making process. You have to understand that there is two kinds of process of making the pasta today. The first kind that it's a personal use. Today, your mother or my mother or any housewife, if she want to make a pasta today, rather than to buy it a ready product from the supermarket or to buy a packet from there, she's using a small machine. She just put a semolina flour inside it and it produces for her a pasta and cook it directly. And this is a personal use, but we don't need a personal use because our channel is about small business ideas, teaching you how to make money from this manufacturing business or any other small business. Okay, so what I'll explain today is the production line, and imagine that you are a supplier of a pasta today. You are supplying to supermarket, you are supplying to restaurants, you are supplying for everywhere. So I'm talking about the business part, how to make money from the pasta. So let's start, guys, our feasibility study, and the first point we'll talk about it is the materials. In the pasta you need only 4 materials in order to mix it together and forming pasta to you. What is it? First of all, you have to use semolina flour, and it's durum. Okay, you can search about this name and you will find it. Okay, so semolina flour plus water plus salt, and the last thing, which is eggs. These only 4 ingredients you needed to form a pasta. Someone will ask me a very important question. Give me a fixed formula in order to mix these ingredients together. Okay, write down now. First, 3 kilograms from semolina flour, you have to add to them 1 liter water, okay? And every 100 kilograms from the flour, taking from 1 to 2 kilograms from salt. Okay, the water should be 30% of the ingredients. Okay, and salt, semolina flour, and egg will be 70%, and the 30% it will be water. Here is very important question, guys. Does I bring the materials for the semolina flour, which I use it to form a pasta? Does I bring it by ton, or I buy it with kilo, or I buy it with a bag? Okay, the answer is here. You have 2 things. You can buy the semolina flour by kilo, but this will be more expensive to you, and you can buy the semolina flour by a bag. Every bag is 25 kilos. Okay, but if you are today manufacturing or will produce a huge amount of pasta, like for example 20 ton, 25 ton, 30 ton, okay, this will be better for you because the more you buy from the supplier, the less price you get from him. Okay, so let's say for example today, semolina flour inside the market as a price, it's starting from $50 until $250. It depends on the quantity and quality, both of them. Okay, but let's say today you are buying a huge quantity, like 20 ton, 25 ton. Okay, so per ton you will buy with $180 to $200. This is the best price for a quantity like this. For making the pasta, you are passing by 5 processes, and this 5 process is 5 equipments. Okay, you have 2 choices. You can buy these equipments either to be individuals, so you will buy a separated equipment and you can match it together with one line to be a production line for you, or the second choice, you can buy automatic production line directly connected to each other, but this will be more expensive for you. Okay, so I will explain to you about the process, each process, about the prices and everything. Let's go. So the 5 process of the pasta is, the first one is kneading, which is mixing the ingredients together. The second one is forming, which you are forming the pasta, like you need it spaghetti, or you need it rigatoni, or you need it tortellini, or penne, or whatever you need it. Okay, so this is the second one. The third one is dehydration, that you are absorbing all the water from the pasta and you make it dry. Okay, the fourth one is baking. Like after the pasta is being dried, you are putting inside the packets to sell it to the supermarket or to the restaurants directly. And the fifth process, which is storing. After finishing the packing, you have to keep your pasta in a specific temperature, which is inside a storage, in order to keep it for a long time and not to be expired quickly. Okay, so let's revise one by one from these 5 processes, and I'll give you a quick hint and what you need to know. What's the most important information about each one in these 5 processes? I'll explain it to you now. The first one, which is kneading. After mixing the ingredients together, it can produce for you until 20 kilos of dough. Okay, this is regarding the kneading. The second one, which is a formation. Someone will ask me, does I can form or produce more than one type of pasta from these machines? The answer is yes. You can make from 3 to 4 types of pasta from this production line. Okay, so you have a variety of product, which is better for you to sell to the suppliers. So the third process, which is dehydration. After you getting the pasta from the formation, you have to dry it. Okay, you have to remove the moisture from the pasta, and the moisture percentage inside your pasta should be 12%, not more, not less. So the fourth one, which is baking, you have to understand that the baking machine can make from, or can get from 1 gram to 1000 gram as a baking weight. Okay, which is 1 kilo. And it can produce, or it can pack 100 packets per minute. And the last point, which is, or the last process, which is storing, you have to understand from the date of manufacturing your pasta or producing the pasta can continue until 18 months. So you have a long period and enough time to sell your product. And here is, guys, the most important question. What is the production rate for these machines in producing the pasta per hour? This machine can produce from 80 to 120 kilo of pasta per hour. Imagine, multiply by 8 hours per day or 9 hours per day, according to the operation time for your factory or for your space, how many kilos you will get. So you have to understand, guys, the way how you sell the pasta to suppliers or to any other place. Okay, you are selling by cartoon. 1 cartoon is equal 20 packets of pasta. 1 ton is equal 125 cartoons. So this means that 1 ton is equal 2500 packets. So the 5 machines of the pasta, it's coming in 1 production line, which is automatic line, and costing you find it inside the market in a lot of websites. You can check the prices. It's starting from $8,000 until $15,000. Also, it depends on the brand and the quality and where it's being made in. We reached at the end of our episode today, guys. I hope really it was useful for you and you get a lot of information about this business. And trust me, it's very profitable, less risk, and the clients is existed. Clients requirements are existed already, which is easy for you. Okay, no need too much marketing like other business, and you need to search for a client and make too much effort to get a client. No. Okay, so please, guys, support my channel and don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and share. And if you want a detailed feasibility study for the prices and everything, you can make for me a comment down the video and I will provide you with one of it. Okay, so see you guys next week, and A.Hassans project, don't forget to subscribe.